Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to use WhatsApp web on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the Safari. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go over here, search here for WhatsApp web. You can just search here for WhatsApp web. Now go for the first one, that is going to take you to this. Now we need to make a few changes. Over here near to the URL, you can see there is a square icon with horizontal line. Tap on it. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to click on the three dot menu over here. You have to tap on it. That is going to take you to this. Now tap on request desktop website. That is going to take you to this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to zoom in. You have to zoom in like this. Once you zoom in, you have to tap on WhatsApp web. Now from here, what you need to do is when you do like this, you'll be getting a QR code here. So I'm going to log in with my alternative device. So I'm having an iPhone here like this. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is I just wanted to continue with it. So what I'm trying to just open your WhatsApp on your alternative device. It can be either an iPhone or you can try with an iPhone or Android. So right now, once you get into this, you can see there is a bottom. At the bottom you can see there is a settings icon. You have to tap on it. Now from here, go for link a device. So you have to do like this. Now go for link a device, tap on it, and right now go for allow. Give all the permissions for the camera. Go for allow, so that you should give your face ID like this. And now you have to use your phone and you have to scan the QR code over here. Once you scan in, you can see this. For me, it is logging in, so it is scanned over here. So this will take a little bit of time. And right now, as you can see over here on my particular device, I got everything over here, right? So I'll do one thing. As you can see, I just got everything over here on my WhatsApp web. So this is how you can get it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.